Hello guys, welcome to the Workaround Graduates. In this video, I'll be talking about how to trade GBPUSD. So even if you're a beginner, you can be able to learn how to do this, okay? This strategy will be literally what you need to be able to master GBPUSD, as I promised on the previous video. That's how I'll help you master GBPUSD, okay? This can be mostly a scalp strategy, but yeah, you can use it for long, but it's usually more of a scalp opportunity. So what it means, you can just trade through the day, like wait maybe a couple of hours or maybe a day, okay? That's like a day trade, and then make the mullah. Okay, so if you know, in my channel, in my free signals, I do give also GBP, and we make GBPUSD, or we make money. It's one of the signals that we use. Okay, so I'll show you how to master it and how to do it. So if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, guys, so you don't miss any of my videos, where I'll show you how to make money with forex trading and other things like that. So after the intro, we'll get started with the video. Okay, also don't forget to smash the like button if you do enjoy the video, and leave any comments down below. All right, let's go. Okay guys, so what you do, you open your GBPUSD, okay, on H1. Okay, that's what we're going to focus on. Okay, so what you basically do with GBPUSD, it's simple. You just look at where it's going. Okay, it's a pair that normally goes, if it goes in one direction, it goes for quite a bit. So it's more just like I was telling you, if you check that video about gold, it's kind of similar in a way, because these are like gold is quite a big commodity, and also GBP, as I said, GBP and USD are big current economies. So you know, once it goes, it usually goes for quite a long time and stuff. So you can just catch all those moves when it's going up. So what do you want to do as a beginner, okay, or whatever trader you are? It's simple. You just go into MA. Okay, let me just put in my MA here. This is especially for people who are not familiar with knowing where that it's actually trending, or where it's going. So if it's above, okay, so if your line, this green line, okay, it's your MA 100, okay, if you can see here, moving average 100. That's what I said it as. So it means every time it goes below here, it's sell opportunities. But if the market is above, just like this, we are buying. We're looking for some buy opportunities. Remember, these are scalps, so it's not okay, because sometimes it can just go here and then just go down. So we're just looking at quick scalps, and then we're out. Okay, like maybe 20, 50 pips, or 80 pips, something like that. Okay, let's see if, for example, this would be 70 pips or 80 pips. So we're looking at those short moves, guys. Okay, so look at where the market is currently. Okay, where is the market? You see the market is above this MA. So which means we're looking at buy opportunities. Okay, all right, so we know here we're looking at sell, so we are looking at buys. So what do you do? We're just gonna identify the levels where the market is at. So here it's at there, and then it's at here. So all the parts where it's at, you can identify. You can see it's at here, and then again it's at over there. I'll put it here. Okay, and then it's set also when it came here, it's set. Okay, and also there. But yeah, so as you can see, as I said, it'll sit on here and go up, sit again and go up. So we do the same thing here. It's set, we're gonna go up. In fact, that's the one I bought today. So let me actually zoom in so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, I think it's better. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, as you can see, it sat, and when it went up, so we're expecting it to sit over here again. So it went, it sat here again. Right? So it went, okay, again it came and sat here. Right? So all the time it sits here, we buy. All the time it sits here, it's another buy. It sat here again, we buy. So obviously now I'll be taking it right to there. I'll take it right to there. Okay, I'll explain that a bit. Okay. And my stop loss would be, let me do my stop loss quickly. Stop loss would be here. I actually put it somewhere here. So the risk is a bit 1:1. But I mean, this is kind of a late entry because I'm showing you guys, but actually, I am trading it on my other accounts. I'll actually open my other small accounts, which I was scalping this. You'll see what I'm talking about. I already bought it here. So I bought it when it was here somewhere. I took it today. So it said, so if you can see, this is a buy. It's a nice buy here. Another nice buy here. Another nice buy here. So let's see how many pips this was. So this was from here to there, it was 85 pips. And this one from here to there, it's a 70 something pip. Okay, and then from here to there, yeah, you can target 90 or 80 something. But I mean, since it's late, you're probably gonna only have to there, which is 70. Okay, so that's simply how you can trade this. I'm trying to go a little bit closer. So you can see, guys, it's simple. The market is above here. Okay. And then we bought here, and then we bought here. Okay. Remember, we look at H1. You can zoom in if you want to. So we buy here. It went down, and then we buy here. Why are we buying? Because if GBP goes above the market, I mean the MA, then we're buying for H1, okay, and we aim for 80 pips or 60 pips. Okay, so that will be there. So it's simple as that, guys. So to recap again, so your market is trending up like this. Okay, so it's an uptrend, and then you have your moving average here. So let's say this is a moving average. Moving average, sure you can see. Okay, so we're obviously gonna be buying here. So obviously gonna be buying here, and then when it's going down, so the MA. Okay, so it's simple as that. We sell. Yeah. Okay, I'll show you the steps now, but it's simple. So when the MA is above the market, like here, so for H1, you just look at it. Okay, just go a bit closer here. So you can see generally it's going above the market. Okay, so yeah, this was just a false break. Yeah, but here now you can see, even if you missed this, here it's buy, again it's buy. Okay, I'll just list the steps here. So the first step, obviously open your chart. So open chart GBP, and then put your MA if you can't, and then that's the first step. And step 2, put your S and R, that's support and resistance. So you identify that where the market has been sitting, sat there. And so if you don't know how to do that, just go check my other video for SNR. I won't go over it here, so just go check it out. By the way, guys, before I carry on, make sure you smash that like button if you are enjoying the content, so I know that you are enjoying it, and also comment, let's get the money, okay? So I can see that obviously you're enjoying the video and you want more of these. So yeah, so that's the second step. And then the third step is to obviously buy or sell. So that's the third step, guys, is to buy or sell according to the SNR position. Okay, it's depending on when it is. So if it's below, obviously you sell. So if it's up, you know you're buying. Okay, and you target 60 to 80 pips. Okay, so that's simply how it is. We can also check another way, another one, but this is exactly how you can do it. This is quite beginner friendly. So this is beginner friendly. You can also use if you're doing, let's say you're doing something like your trend lines. I know some people may be doing trend lines. So see, even if I did trend lines with this, okay, you're gonna see it's sort of like the same concept. Okay, actually I can put this over here. So yeah, it's basically the same concept with your SNR too. Okay, it's the same concept. Okay, so it just depends on how you're doing it and stuff. But yeah, it's essentially, so just follow these rules and you should be fine. So this is what GBPUSD does. Okay, I'll just open my charts and show you that I did buy on my other account. As you can see, guys, with this one, I actually just opened it now. You can see I already bought here. Okay, I actually aimed for here. How many pips I aimed for? This was a late entry, so that's why I was aiming for 40. Okay, so I did enter on the others. I've taken those out already. I entered this one. I don't know when it was, but I entered obviously a bit late, so I'm getting out here. Okay, so I've just been playing the same game. I bought here. Right, so I don't know what happened with this. Should be something there. So we bought here, and then it came to this level again, and then it should go up. Okay, it went up. Okay, and then it sat, so it should go up again to there somewhere. Okay, if it turns, it's okay. We would have seen that it's changing direction, but I've made money here. In fact, yeah, this one I didn't get, but I got it from here, and then I got here. Okay, yeah, and then I'm entering here. So the third one, this is the third one. Okay, so you guys can just scalp these and just make quick. This is my very small account, just growing. So as you can see, it's a very small account, guys. So yeah, and it's still pushing up, if you can see, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. That's how you trade GBPUSD. I hope it helped you out, guys. That's essentially how you trade GBPUSD. Even if I will show you different examples, it would be the same thing over and over again. So here's another example, guys. Let me just start this analysis again and show you quickly how I can do it. Okay, so let's look at this. Okay, open your charts, your MA 100, keep it there. Okay, so let's assume we're looking at this part. Okay, let me just move this there. Okay, we know this was going down. Okay, but now we identify our levels. Remember, you're looking for scalps like quick ins and outs. So here it's set. We should be sitting again here. So as you can see here, another level is this one. Again, you identify it. Okay, another level here. Look there on that side. So essentially, you keep looking at where the market has set. Okay, and then it's set over there. Okay, so remember, we know now it's going up. How do we know? Okay, so it should be H1. Yeah, sorry for that. That should be H1, but you get the picture. We know it's above the MA. Okay, so essentially, we're gonna look at where it's at. Go up. Set again here. It go up, and then again it's set there. We're gonna, but it didn't go out. It's fine. It took us out. It went down. Okay. As soon as it goes up again, we buy. Of course. Do the same thing if it's going down. Okay. Literally nothing is. So if it went below again, okay, it's there. You sell. You sell. Sell. Remember, you go out, make money, you're out. Okay, we are scalping here. Okay, especially if we're not, if there's going to be news and stuff like that. So rather scalp with this. You can swing, but it can be a bit risky because you don't know what it can do. So this is basically a scalping method to make big bucks scalping. Okay, so that's basically it, guys. I hope you guys were able to learn it, and I hope it gave you some value. And yeah, if you do have any questions, I would recommend you leave them below, and also smash that like button so that more people can see that this video and can be able to do it. So share, subscribe, and like. Yeah, so more people can see it, and obviously I add more videos if I see that you guys are interested in things like this. Okay, all right. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys. See you in my next video, guys. Let's keep making money.